Hey, what's up guys? Jason here, and today I want to walk you through the newly updated Creator Essentials Kit. If you're trying to create content with just your phone, you've probably run into the same three problems that almost every creator hits right away. The lighting looks terrible, the audio sounds like it was recorded inside a cave, and the little tripod you bought online feels like it's about to collapse the minute you touch it. The reality is that phones today shoot incredible video, but the accessories around them are usually what hold people back. So today, I want to show you a real simple way to fix all of that in one setup with the Lume Creator Essentials Kit. Now, the idea behind this system is pretty straightforward. Instead of trying to piece together a light, a tripod, a microphone, mounts, cables, and everything else individually, this kit gives you a complete mobile content studio designed specifically for creators who shoot with their phone. Also, I'm going to put a link down in the description, which will give you a 20% discount on anything from Lume. It's a great deal, so try and grab it while it lasts. Now, before we get into it, I mean it when I say that this is the newly upgraded version of Lume's already successful mobile creator kit. If you're familiar with the earlier mobile content kit, this version improves several key areas, including brightness, build quality, and overall usability. Lume essentially took something that was already popular with mobile creators, they listened to the feedback from their users, and reframed it into a more complete, all-in-one system for people who want better lighting, who want better audio, and want a more reliable setup when filming with their phone. Now in this video, I'm going to walk you through everything that comes in the kit, how to set it up properly, how to use each piece of gear, and we're also going to go through the full technical specs for those of you who really like to know exactly what you're working with. All right, so let's open it up and we'll take a look at what you actually get. Inside the Creator Essentials Kit, you're going to get everything you need to build a complete mobile video setup. Included in the kit is the LED light, a 5-section aluminum tripod, a rotating smartphone mount, built-in Bluetooth remote, a microphone with a shock mount, a foam windscreen, a microphone windshield, TRRS cables so you can connect the microphone to a smartphone or a DSLR camera. You've got a USB-C charging cable, a phone clip, a padded clip, and a carrying case so the entire setup can travel with you easily. So instead of buying these accessories one piece at a time and trying to figure out if everything's going to work together, the entire system is designed to function as a single mobile production kit. Let's start with lighting, because lighting is usually the first thing that makes the biggest difference in your videos. The LED light included in the Creator Essentials kit is designed to give you soft, flattering light that works well for talking head videos, live streams, interviews, and social media content. It's 40% brighter than the previous Lume mobile kit, and it's engineered with advanced soft diffusion, so this light looks so smooth on skin tones instead of harsh or direct. Now, one of the things creators care about most with lighting is color accuracy, and this light performs really well there. It has a CRI rating of 96 and a TLCI rating of 96, which means the colors it produces are extremely accurate and it's going to look really natural on camera. Those are professional level numbers. The color temperature range runs from 2700 Kelvin all the way up to 7500 Kelvin, and you can adjust that in 100 Kelvin increments across 49 different levels. That means that you can match warm indoor lighting, neutral daylight, or cooler outdoor tones depending on the environment that you're filming in. Now, brightness is adjustable all the way from 1% to 100% in 5% increments, giving you 21 brightness levels to dial in exactly the amount of light that you're going to need. At full brightness, this light produces about 410 lux at a half a meter and around 92 lux at 1 meter, which is a massive improvement over the lighting that almost all smartphones produce on their own. This light is powered by a built-in lithium-ion battery rated at 3.7 volts and 1,500 milliamp hours, which equals about 5.55 watt hours of power. Now, battery life depends on how bright you run the light. At full brightness, you're going to get around 1.2 hours of runtime. At 75% brightness, you're going to get about 1.6 hours. At 50% brightness, this light runs for about 2.4 hours. And if you drop it down to 25% brightness, this light can last up to 4.5 hours. Charging happens through the USB-C port, and a full recharge takes about 1.6 hours. Now let's talk about the tripod, because this is another part of the kit that makes a big difference in usability. Instead of using a lightweight plastic tripod like inexpensive tripods, the Creator Essentials kit includes a solid aluminum alloy tripod, which makes it way more stable and durable, especially if you're filming outdoors or adjusting the camera a lot. The tripod uses a 5-section telescoping design so it can extend to different heights depending on what you're shooting. At full extension, the tripod can reach about 1.6 meters, which is roughly 63 inches in height. It's pretty high. And the shortest configuration, it goes down to around 15 inches. That makes it useful for everything from tabletop videos to full standing shots. The tripod weighs about 574 grams, and it supports a load capacity of 1.5 kilograms, which is way more than enough for a smartphone with all of the accessories attached. At the top of the tripod, you get a ball head that rotates up to 180 degrees and a full 360 degrees around, so you can easily adjust your framing angle. This also allows you to quickly switch between horizontal and vertical shooting, which is really important because a lot of creators today are shooting for multiple platforms. Horizontal framing works great for YouTube or traditional video content, while vertical framing is perfect for Instagram Reels, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts. The rotating phone mount makes that transition really quick so you can move between those formats without rebuilding a whole setup. Now let's move on to the microphone system because audio quality is just as important as lighting. The Creator Essentials kit includes a microphone designed to significantly improve the sound quality of your recordings compared to the built-in microphone on almost all phones. Now the mic connects directly to your smartphone using the included TRRS cables. Now the kit includes different cable options depending on whether you're connecting to a smartphone or a camera, so you're going to be covered no matter where you want to use it, old phones or new ones. The microphone mount uses a shock mount, which helps isolate vibrations and handling noise so your recordings stay clean and clear. For wind reduction, the kit also includes a foam windscreen and a larger microphone windshield. The foam windscreen helps reduce breathing noise and small air bursts while speaking. The windshield is designed for outdoor use and helps minimize unwanted wind noise from bigger breezes, crowds, or other movement. Now, one of the really convenient features of this system is the built-in Bluetooth remote. The remote actually stores inside of the tripod leg, so it's always available, easy to find, and super convenient. To remove the remote, just push down from the top of the remote compartment on the tripod leg, and the remote will slide out so you can grab it. Once you pair it with your phone using Bluetooth, you can start or stop recording and capture photos without even touching the phone itself. It's incredibly useful if you're filming solo because you can start recording from a distance without walking all the way back to the camera every single time. Pairing the remote is really simple. Just turn Bluetooth on your phone, power on the Bluetooth remote, select the remote from your phone's Bluetooth device list, and then once it's connected, you can just start and stop directly from the remote. It's a small feature, but it makes filming by yourself way easier. Now let's walk through the full setup so you can see how everything comes together. Start by opening the tripod legs and placing the tripod on a stable surface. Once the base is stable, you can extend the telescoping tripod sections until you reach whatever height you want. It's really fast and sturdy. Next, you can attach your smartphone mount by threading it onto the 1/4-inch screw on the top of the tripod head. Once the mount is attached, you can slide your phone into the mount so it's held securely. After that, you can attach the LED light and the microphone to the cold shoe mounts on the phone bracket, so the setup stays compact and really well balanced. If you're using the microphone, connect it to your phone using the included TRRS cable, then attach the windscreen or windshield depending on whether you're filming indoors or outside where it's more windy or noisy. Next, turn on the LED light, adjust the brightness and color temperature so it matches your environment. And finally, pair the Bluetooth remote with your phone so you can control recording without touching the camera. Once everything is set up, you now have a complete mobile content studio that can go almost anywhere. Everything packs into the included carrying case so it's easy to travel with, and the entire setup can be assembled in just a few minutes. This kit is really designed for creators who want professional looking lighting and better audio without carrying a full camera rig. It's great for YouTubers, social media creators, live streamers, vloggers, or anyone who wants to upgrade the quality of their phone content. Phones today shoot incredible video, but the lighting, audio, and stability around them are what usually make the difference between amateur-looking footage and something that actually feels polished. The Creator Essentials kit brings those pieces together in one portable system so you can focus more on creating and less on building complicated setups. Also, I'm going to put a link down in the description, which will give you a 20% discount on anything from LumeCube. It's a great deal, so try and grab it while it lasts. If you have any questions that I didn't cover in this video, feel free to ask in the comments or reach out to LumeCube directly. The team is super friendly and they respond really quick. Thanks for watching, stay creative, and I'll see you guys in the next one.